God of War Ragnarok creators discuss the game's biggest surprise, JOE.ie. Apple iOS 16.2 new update brings this amazing feature for Stocks app on iPhones and iPads, Z News. You are not going to believe the secret ingredient in my homemade glass cleaner, Express. NASA's rocket launch to the Moon next week aims to close 50-year-long gap, The Guardian. NASA scientists present theory about why we haven't met other intelligent life. It's crushing. Yahoo Singapore News. Dolly Parton receives $100 million Courage and Civility Award from Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez, CNN. FTX saga continues. Funds vanish at bankrupt crypto exchange. Company confirms, unauthorized access, Weon. Foldable iPhone in Motorola Razr chassis is the mashup all Apple fans are waiting for, Yanko design. SpaceX launches communication satellites, Associated Press. Travel checklist. 9 cheap must-have gadgets for your next trip.